Here we now will see that we have a account lock or ID lock, and we will know how to remove this account. So first we need to remove the BIOS chips. So first we will remove the back panel, disconnect the battery, apply some flux, and we will remove the BIOS chips from the motherboard to program the BIOS chips, new BIOS. Now we have to program new files of same models. Here already I have new BIOS, so we will replace the old BIOS and put new BIOS, and we will write here. So the programming is going on. Now the program is complete, and again we will put it back to the chips. This account lock is seen mostly in Dell laptop. Now let's see the account lock is gone or not. If you have account lock, then you have to change only the BIOS region or flash new BIOS. Here see the account lock is gone. No orange mark or nothing else. Thank you.